I really enjoyed Sialendoscopy session at EROC, and this is really make a global meetings for us as Sialendoscopists from Middle East and around the world.
It's a pleasure to be here in EROC. This is the 15th conference of EROC. The evolution is remarkable. I've been from the first EROC meeting, and this is the 15th meeting. Over 2,500 participants. My subspecialty, my passion is Sialendoscopy, and I'm happy to say that Sialendoscopy now is a regular encounter in EROC.
The facilities at EROC were excellent. We have ample expertise available from all over the world. It was a very enjoyable and a very, I would say, invigorating experience for me.
I've presented two papers. The first one is Sialendoscopy, Diagnostic and Interventional, with the meaning that one for therapeutic and one for diagnostic. Then the other paper that I presented was to do with artificial intelligence in Sialendoscopy. It was of an attraction, it was unique and different. It was talking about how AI will make a paradigm shift in our specialty.
I want to congratulate all the organizing committee and thank again to invite me this Congress.